Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to create, manage and assign warehouses using multi-source inventory, which is one of the Sylius Plus features. Here in this tab you can see all the warehouses that are right now assigned to your channels in your shop. Let's create a new one. We have to type the code of the warehouse and its name. Now we can set a priority, which means from which warehouse the package is going to be sent first if the two warehouses are assigned to the same channel. Let's set it to 1. Now we can type the address, city and the postcode. The country I'm going to pick, it's going to be Poland for this one. The most important part is to which channels the warehouse is going to be assigned. Since we already have 2 fashion warehouses, let's assign this one to home. Here, right now, your new warehouse is created with the first priority and it's assigned to the home channel. That's it.